Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to our channel where we turn your dreams into financial freedom. You know, everyone wants to be a millionaire, but not everyone's willing to put in the work. But you're here, and that means you're different. You're ready to take control of your finances and unlock your full potential. Today, we're diving into frugality lessons that will lead you to millionaire status. We're going to break down the simple, actionable steps you can take to transform your relationship with money and pave your path to becoming a millionaire. No get-rich-quick schemes here, just practical advice that works. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't just about earning more. It's about mastering the art of saving and investing wisely. It's about making your money work harder for you than you work for it. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz or inherit a fortune to achieve this. If you're ready to discover the power of frugal living, smash that like button and let's jump right in. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of the valuable insights coming your way. Let's get started on this exciting journey to financial freedom together. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of saving money, we need to talk about the foundation of it all, a rock-solid financial plan. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start building without a blueprint, right? The same goes for your financial future. A financial plan acts as your blueprint, guiding you towards your financial goals. Having a clear plan allows you to track your income, expenses, and savings goals all in one place. It helps you identify areas where you might be overspending and allows you to allocate your money more effectively. This organized approach empowers you to make informed financial decisions that align with your long-term aspirations. Without a plan, it's easy to fall into the trap of impulsive spending and let your money slip through your fingers. A well-structured financial plan helps you prioritize your financial goals, whether it's buying your dream home, retiring early, or achieving financial independence. Remember that creating a financial plan isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Life throws curveballs, your income might fluctuate, and your goals may evolve over time. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan ensures you stay on track and adapt to any changes in your financial situation. Let's talk about frugal living, the art of being smart with your money without sacrificing your happiness. Frugal living is not just about pinching pennies or cutting corners. It's a lifestyle choice that prioritizes long-term financial health and personal satisfaction. It's about making the most out of what you have and finding joy in simplicity. Now, there's a common misconception that being frugal means being cheap, but that's far from the truth. Cheapness often involves a mindset of spending as little as possible, regardless of the consequences. Frugality, on the other hand, is about value, getting the best quality for the best price and making thoughtful decisions that benefit you in the long run. Frugality is about making conscious and intentional spending choices that align with your values and financial goals. It's about understanding what truly matters to you and directing your resources towards those priorities. This could mean investing in experiences that bring you joy, like a family vacation, or saving for a future goal, such as buying a home or starting a business. Being cheap often involves compromising on quality and experiences to save a few bucks, which can lead to dissatisfaction in the long run. For instance, buying the cheapest pair of shoes might save you money up front, but if they wear out quickly, you'll end up spending more in the long run. Frugality, however, encourages you to invest in quality items that last, providing better value over time. On the other hand, being frugal is about finding creative ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. This could involve learning new skills like cooking or DIY home repairs, which not only save money, but also provide a sense of accomplishment and self-reliance. It's about being resourceful, finding deals, and maximizing the value of every dollar you spend. For example, shopping during sales, using coupons, or buying in bulk can significantly reduce your expenses without compromising on the things you need or enjoy. For example, instead of buying a brand new car that depreciates in value the moment you drive it off the lot, you could opt for a reliable used car and save a significant amount of money. This way, you get the transportation you need without the hefty price tag and rapid depreciation. You could opt for a reliable used car and save a significant amount of money. This approach not only saves you money, but also reduces the financial stress associated with large purchases. Or instead of eating out every night, you could learn to cook delicious and healthy meals at home for a fraction of the cost. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring healthier meals, and it can be a fun and rewarding activity to share with family and friends. Remember, frugality is not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that free up your finances, allowing you to live a life that is rich in experiences and opportunities. It's about creating a financial cushion that gives you peace of mind and the freedom to pursue your dreams, allowing you to pursue your passions, invest in your future, and live a more fulfilling life. Whether it's traveling, starting a new hobby, or investing in education, Frugality provides the financial flexibility to do what you love without the burden of debt. So, embrace the frugal lifestyle and watch your financial well-being flourish. By making thoughtful and intentional choices, you can build a secure financial future while enjoying the present. Frugality is not just about saving money, it's about creating a life that is both financially stable and personally fulfilling. Start today and see the positive impact it can have on your life. You know, we talk a lot about budgeting on this channel, but one area where people just hemorrhage money without realizing it is groceries. It's like this invisible drain on your bank account. You think you're just picking up a few essentials, but by the time you reach the checkout, the total is way more than you anticipated. You go in for a few things and come out with $100 less and a fridge full of stuff you may not even use. It's a common scenario. You buy items thinking you'll need them, but they end up sitting in the fridge or pantry, forgotten and eventually thrown away. That's where meal planning comes in. It's a game changer for your budget and your peace of mind. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about being smart. Meal planning allows you to take control of your grocery spending by knowing exactly what you need before you even step foot in the store. By planning your meals in advance, you only buy what you need, which minimizes waste and maximizes your savings. You can avoid those impulse buys that add up quickly and stick to a list that aligns with your planned meals. Imagine taking that $100 you usually burn through at the grocery store and putting it towards something else, like investing or paying off debt. That money could be working for you instead of disappearing into the grocery black hole. That's the power of meal planning. It gives you the ability to redirect your funds towards your financial goals, whether that's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or investing in your future. It's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic and making your money work harder for you. When you plan your meals, you're essentially creating a roadmap for your spending, which helps you stay on track and avoid unnecessary expenses. And let's be real, who couldn't use an extra $100 or more each week? That extra cash can make a significant difference in your financial situation over time. It all adds up, and over time, that's money that could be growing exponentially in the market. By consistently saving on groceries, you can invest those savings and watch them grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. So how do you get started? The first step is to assess your current spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Look at your grocery receipts and see where your money is going. It's simpler than you think. Start by planning your meals for the week. Think about what you already have in your pantry and fridge, and build your meals around those items. This way, you're using what you have and only buying what you need. Grab a notebook, open a spreadsheet, or download a meal planning app. Whatever works best for you. There are plenty of tools available to help you get organized and stay on track. I personally like to keep things digital, but find what works for your lifestyle. Some people prefer the tactile experience of writing things down, while others enjoy the convenience of digital tools. The key is to find a system that you can stick with. Once you have your meals planned, create a detailed grocery list. Stick to this list when you shop to avoid those tempting but unnecessary purchases. Shopping with a list not only helps you stay focused, but also speeds up the process. You're in and out of the store faster, which means less time for impulse buys. Another benefit of meal planning is that it encourages you to cook at home more often. Home-cooked meals are generally healthier and more cost-effective than eating out or ordering takeout. Plus, cooking at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. It brings families together and allows you to experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Don't forget about leftovers. Plan for them in your meal prep. Leftovers can be a lifesaver on busy days when you don't have time to cook from scratch. Label your leftovers with dates to keep track of what's in your fridge and ensure nothing goes to waste. This simple step can help you stay organized and reduce food waste. Regularly review your meal plan and grocery budget to see what's working and what needs adjustment. Flexibility is key to making meal planning a sustainable habit. With a little practice, meal planning will become second nature, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Your wallet and your waistline will thank you. So take control of your grocery budget and start meal planning today. It's a small change that can lead to big savings and a more organized, stress-free life. All right, let's talk about investing. It's a word that can seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. But here's the thing, investing is simply the process of putting your money to work for you. It's about planting seeds today that will grow into a fruitful financial future. You see, when you invest, your money has the potential to earn more money through interest, dividends, or appreciation in value. It's like having your money work overtime while you sleep. Now, I'm not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. Those are risky and often lead to losses. I'm talking about building wealth over the long term through smart, consistent investing. The first step is to educate yourself. There are countless resources available online, from reputable websites to educational videos. Take the time to learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Understand the risks and potential rewards associated with each. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The more you understand about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that align with your goals. You know, one of the biggest hurdles on the path to financial freedom is the constant bombardment of wants disguised as needs. It's a subtle yet powerful force that can derail even the most disciplined among us. We live in a world of instant gratification, where targeted ads and social media trends whisper promises of a better, happier life if we just buy a new gadget, trendy outfit, or expensive experience. These whispers are everywhere, from the moment we wake up and check our phones to the time we go to bed, scrolling through endless feeds of curated perfection. But here's the hard truth. Most of the time, those whispers are just clever marketing tactics designed to empty your wallet. They play on our emotions, making us believe that our happiness and self-worth are tied to material possessions. Think about it. Do you really need the latest smartphone model when your current one works perfectly fine? The tech industry thrives on making us feel like we're missing out if we don't have the newest, shiniest device. Do you really need to eat out 3 times a week when cooking at home is healthier and significantly cheaper? Restaurants and food delivery services capitalize on our busy lives and desire for convenience. These are the questions we need to ask ourselves before swiping our credit cards. It's about being mindful and intentional with our spending, recognizing the difference between a want and a need. Remember, every dollar you spend on a want is a dollar you're taking away from your future financial freedom. It's a trade-off, and it's important to be aware of what you're giving up in the long run. Now, I'm not saying you should live a life completely devoid of pleasure and spontaneity. Life is meant to be enjoyed, and it's okay to treat yourself occasionally. It's all about finding a balance. Instead of constantly chasing fleeting desires, focus on investing in things that truly add value to your life, experiences that create lasting memories, relationships that enrich your soul, and investments that build a secure future. These are the things that bring true fulfillment and happiness. Remember, true wealth isn't about accumulating material possessions. It's about having the financial freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control of your financial destiny. And that starts with making conscious choices about where your money goes. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, taking the time to plan and prioritize your spending. Set clear financial goals for yourself, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement. Having specific goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Regularly review your budget and adjust your spending habits as needed. It's a dynamic process, and it's important to stay flexible and adaptable. Celebrate your financial milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory and a testament to your commitment to financial freedom. Share your financial journey with others. Encourage your friends and family to make wise financial choices and support each other in the pursuit of financial freedom. Reflect on your progress regularly. Take pride in how far you've come and use that as motivation to keep moving forward. Ultimately, it's about finding joy in the simple pleasures and living a balanced life. Financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about creating a life that aligns with your values and brings you true happiness. So the next time you're tempted by the enticing trap of wants, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself if it's truly worth it, and consider the long-term impact on your financial freedom. By making mindful and intentional choices, you can break free from the cycle of consumerism and build a future of financial stability and independence. Remember, the power to achieve financial freedom lies within you. It's about making conscious decisions, staying focused on your goals, and finding joy in the journey. You have the ability to create the life you desire, one wise financial choice at a time. Today, we're diving into the real-life stories of everyday people who've embraced frugality and transformed their finances. Our first guest is Sarah, a self-proclaimed fashion enthusiast who manages to stay stylish on a budget. Sarah, tell us, how do you manage to keep up with the latest fashion trends without breaking the bank? Sarah, well, I've learned that looking fashionable doesn't have to cost a fortune. I'm a huge fan of thrifting and finding hidden gems at consignment stores. It's amazing what treasures you can uncover with a little patience and a keen eye. Plus, it's much more sustainable than constantly buying new clothes. That's fantastic, Sarah. So you're not only saving money, but also reducing your environmental impact. What a win-win. And there you have it. tangible steps and inspiring stories to help you unlock your millionaire potential through the power of frugal living. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making smart, conscious choices that align with your values and financial goals. If you found these frugal living tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, let's build a future of financial independence and freedom. Until next time, keep saving, stay frugal, and watch your wealth grow.